Hi, Regina here. My website is about reaching life goals. The first step is to take care of yourself. You need you to take you where you want to go. It's the basic foundation for everything. And the second step is to identify what you want to achieve and to customize a plan for you so you can have a step-by-step formula how to reach your goals in life. I want to really encourage you to stop wasting time, and we start with some time management. I have some other videos on this channel about time management, but check out the link in my bio for the websites, and you can see there more information. It is a really famous saying that the greatest mistake we make is that we think that we have time. So time is our most important asset that we have. And sometimes we are the greatest obstacles ourselves. So it could be a really life-changing thing to really start to take action towards what you want to achieve in life. And habits, I talk much about habits, kicking out bad habits and replacing them with good habits. And that will make a huge difference for you in your everyday life. So reaching life goals is about having a better and happier everyday life. So check out link in my bio about what I do. I have some coaching sessions. I also have pre-recorded business educations if you want to run your own business in times of change, or if you're employed as a manager, someone else's company. It's both very much important education and knowledge that you need to run a business through change. So I have these educations in English and in Swedish, since I'm based in Stockholm. So welcome to my website about reaching life goals. So hope to see you there. Bye.